welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here today because we're talking about something that could completely change the way you think about your travel essentials. We've all been there. You're packing for a trip and space is limited. But here's a game changer. The GuruNanda Folding Toothbrush with built-in cover and Hydroxyapatite toothpaste. Compact, portable, and perfect for on-the-go brushing, this toothbrush is one of those must-haves for your next adventure. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this innovative little tool. This toothbrush has an incredibly convenient folding design. It starts at 7.74 inches, essentially a regular-sized toothbrush. But with a simple flip, it folds down to a mere 4 inches. Talk about space saving. The built-in cover keeps the bristles hygienic and it's antibacterial, so you don't have to worry about bacteria exposure while it's stashed away in your bag or purse. What I love about this is that it takes the hassle out of packing bulky oral care items. When you're on the go, the last thing you want is to deal with toothpaste tubes in separate cases. With the GuruNanda, everything is right in one sleek, compact package. Plus, it's really easy to fold and unfold, so no fuss when you're ready to use it. The protective covering is a bonus that ensures cleanliness when you're traveling in less than ideal conditions. But the real star here is the bristles. GuruNanda didn't just stop at compact design. They've included ultra-soft bristles at just 0.18 millimeters. If you have sensitive teeth or gums or even braces, you'll appreciate how gentle these bristles are. You get a deep clean that doesn't irritate your mouth or gums. Perfect for those who need a softer touch but don't want to compromise on effectiveness. I've used it for a few days, and I'm impressed by how well it gets rid of plaque without being abrasive. The Hydroxyapatite formula in the included toothpaste is another standout. If you haven't heard of hydroxyapatite, it's a mineral that helps with enamel remineralization, which is fantastic for strengthening your teeth and preventing cavities. This toothpaste also has neem, known for its antibacterial properties, so it's a double whammy when it comes to oral hygiene. After using it, my teeth definitely felt cleaner and looked a little brighter. Now let's talk about the value here. The toothbrush is BPA-free, latex-free, and cruelty-free, so it's safe for both you and the environment. This isn't just a toothbrush, it's a piece of eco-conscious travel gear. Considering the price, you're definitely getting a lot of value for a travel-friendly, sustainable, and effective oral care tool. It's ideal for anyone who needs a quick and easy brush while on the move, especially if you travel frequently. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. The only downside I've noticed is that the small size might not feel as substantial in your hand as a full-size toothbrush. If you're someone who prefers a heavier grip while brushing, this might take some getting used to. But for the price and convenience, it's a very minor issue. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit cheaper, but still functional, there are other compact toothbrushes out there. But honestly, GuruNanda's combination of features, foldable design, antibacterial cover, and the Hydroxyapatite toothpaste sets it apart from most. It's also a great option for kids, as it's gentle on teeth and gums. So who would benefit most from this toothbrush? If you're a frequent traveler, this is a must-have for your toiletries kit. It's also perfect for those who want a toothbrush that's both compact and high quality. Plus, if you're sensitive to harsher bristles or looking for a toothpaste that helps remineralize your enamel, this product really delivers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for joining me on this review of the GuruNanda Folding Toothbrush. If you've used it, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And as always, the link to purchase the product can be found in the description or comments box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.